Our next topic is life cycle of a frog. Now we will learn how does a frog reproduce. A frog used to reproduce a cluster of eggs, and this cluster of eggs is known as spawn. You can see here spawn. You have to learn this. Next, this spawns give birth to tadpoles. You have seen tadpoles and it have a tail like a fish. This tadpole, then after few days, from the tadpoles the limbs starts coming, and then after few days the tadpole becomes a young frog. You can see here, now it doesn't have any tail, it doesn't have even a long tail. Then young frog has a diminished tail. You can see here a young frog has a diminished tail, and then this young frog turns into an adult frog. Okay, now it's time to homeworks again. We have to do some little works, assignments. This is your work. Now let's see. Cluster of eggs of frog is called spawn, and the stages between pupa and pupa turning into a butterfly, this stage is called resting stage. The larva of a butterfly is called, say, what is the larva of a butterfly known as? It is known as caterpillar. So how many stages of life cycle, how many life cycles we have studied? Life cycle of a butterfly, life cycle of a hen, life cycle of cockroach, and life cycle of frog. Now all of you have to make charts. Okay, this is your assignment, project work. You have to make charts, only one life cycle, each student have to make one chart on any one life cycle. Okay, next we will learn what are mammals. Now tell me, who are mammals? Animals those used to give birth to eggs are not mammals, but animals those used to give birth to young ones are called mammals. Okay, write in the definition from here to here. Okay, if you will read, you can understand. Okay, now there are few rights that animals should have, because in Quran Allah Pak has said that we should, in Islam also Allah Pak has said that we should love all the creatures, because all the creatures are made by whom? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So what are the rights of an animal? First right of the animals is that they have the rights to live. Okay, so first what is the first right? They have the right to live, and the second right is they have the right to be safe. We shouldn't harm any animals for unnecessary reasons. If they are just waiting outside your home, don't hurt any animals. And the third one is right to be cared. All the animals need protection, so we should protect all the animals. We should never, in this summer season, I'm giving you a task again. In this summer season, you will keep 1 mug of water in your roof so that all the birds can drink water from that. Okay, so this is our little deeds that can make us a big deed. So we will do this, and in this way we are going to finish our chapter. There are few works you have to do. Let's come to the question number 1. True and false. A caterpillar becomes a tadpole. Is it a true or false? It is false. Animals that lay eggs are called mammals. Is it true or false? False. Number 2 also false. Okay. The pupa is the resting stage of the life cycle of a butterfly. It is true. Number 3 is true. Next, number 4 is whales and dolphins are mammals. Yes, it is true, whales and dolphins are mammals. If you read the chapter, you can see all this. You have to read the chapter thoroughly, and then you have to learn the question answers. Next, number the stages of the following life cycle in correct sequences. Here few stages are given. We have to make it correctly. We have to put it correctly. As for in number 1, sorry, in number 1 there is chick, then adult, then egg. So which one will be first? First of all it is egg, then second one it is chick, and then third stage is adult. In the second question we will see young frog, just a minute, young frog, then cluster of eggs, then adult, then tadpole. The first will be cluster of eggs. What is cluster of eggs known as? It is spawns. Cluster of eggs is known as spawns. The first one is cluster of eggs, then from the cluster of eggs it comes out tadpole, and from tadpole it turns to young frog, and then from young frog it becomes an adult frog. The third one is eggs, pupa, adult, larva, and caterpillar. Can you guess which insect's life cycle is given here? It is butterfly. Okay, so first of all it comes out egg. From the egg it comes out larva. And what is the larva of a butterfly known as? It is known as caterpillar. Then this caterpillar goes to the stage of pupa, and then it becomes an adult butterfly. Let's do the fill in the blanks. Dash is the resting stage in the life cycle of butterfly. Which is the resting stage in the life cycle of butterfly? It is pupa. Dash and dash are mammals found in water. You all know, just right now I have told that whales and dolphins are mammals, and where they live? They live in water. So whales and mammals are found in water. Then the third one is the young frog has a, just right now in the class time I have told you, the young frog has a diminished tail, a very small tail. Means young frog does not have any tail. Then the fourth one is insect do not look after their babies. When the insects become adult, it do not look after their babies. Okay. Then we have to match this following. You all know the baby of a tiger is known as cub, and the baby of a kangaroo is known as, quick tell me, guess which one it would be. The baby of a kangaroo is known as Joey, and fox it is known as Kit. Horse is Colt. Duck, you all know duckling. Sheep, it would be lamb. Okay. So this is your homework, and in this way we are going to end our class. You have to read in your home, you have to do the works properly, and you have to study for at least 8 hours. Okay, Allah Hafiz.